what is up? Another day here in Tokyo. Well, actually, we're not in Tokyo, we're in Saitama. We are meeting up with some friends. We're gonna, I don't know where I'm going. We're gonna meet up with those friends and we are gonna do some stuff that I'm really excited about. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Okay. Met up with Tomoka. We're about to meet up with Mako. And then one of my other friends is also coming. We are...
Kayak? We're gonna do
kayak? I thought we were just doing rafting. Kayak. We're gonna do some kayak. And then we're gonna have like very, like I've always wanted to do dinner thing. So that's gonna be exciting. But first, we're gonna do some kayaking. Kayaking. Kayak. Right, we just arrived at the... Hi!
Just choose it. Come on, man.
I did.
What? Oh, wait. My bad.
We just arrived at the kayak place. We are a little bit...
Yeah, we are running late.
We are a little bit running late.
Yeah.
We just changed.
Sure.
Thanks. And now, we're about to head to the waters. Oh god, this lighting is beautiful. This is a great day. Alright, we're gonna go. We're gonna change to the GoPro. Got it? We made it.
Yeah, we hear the waters.
We're about to get in. Tomoka's already out. Mako's next. It's quite deep. Dang. Fun fact about me, I did rowing for half a year in England. One of those like Oxford rowing. Did one of those. It was fun. Never done kayaking, so this is going to be interesting. All right. That's quite deep though. Dang. Oh, they look so fun. All right, I'm next. I'm gonna put you guys on my chest. Just left the camera in the car. It's hot. Alright, we're just done with the kayaking. That was fun. What do you guys think? Wow, that's a lot of people in the plane. What do you guys think? kayaking? First time?
So cool.
Yeah,
yes.
it's better than I expected. Yeah.
You expected more?
No, I mean it's better than I expected.
Oh, you better. It's
Yeah.
better than expected.
Yeah.
I expected more.
Oh,
actually.
really?
I
Okay.
wanted like
Jump.
no, like more speed.
So
There's not a lot of speed, so I don't know. It was alright for the first time. It was alright, but
Yeah.
I expected like going down
me too.
the what do you call that? The stream and then just kind of follow the waves, but it did not go as planned. God, this camera's hot. Alright, this video is gonna be quite long, so I'm gonna end it here and see you guys in the next video when we have our lunch. It's gonna be an exciting one. I've always wanted to go to eat one of these. It's a food challenge. It's a Japanese food challenge from a very long time. Is it?
Noodle challenge.
It's a
Yeah.
food noodle challenge from a very like もう古いよね。わんこ
Traditional.
そばって江戸時代？明治。
ワンコそばわかんない。でも from 岩手。
It's from the Iwate prefecture. It's a culture thing where you eat a lot of food. I mean noodles. Just in my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one.